Today we're going to show you how to help a baby or child who has a burn. If you're going to a bonfire, there will be lots of hazards that can cause burns, and of course we want to try to avoid those hazards, but accidents can happen, so it's really important to know what to do. If we were to imagine that Darcy has burnt her hand because she's picked up a sparkler that was hot, the most important thing we need to do is to cool that burn as quickly as we can using cold running water. We need to do that for at least 10 minutes. Because we're outside, there's a hose pipe, so that's what we will use to cool the burn. Cooling the burn will reduce pain, swelling and the risk of scarring. The faster and longer a burn is cooled, the less the impact of the injury. If you've not got immediate access to cold running water, then any cold harmless liquid like cold fizzy drink, cold beer, can be used to pour over the burn to cool it whilst you're looking for your water source. After the burn has been cooled, cover it with cling film or a clean plastic bag. This helps prevent infection by keeping the area clean and reduces pain by keeping air from the skin surface.